Game 1.
This is me at Yusuf Priscilla, and today we are going to watch Gog the movie and with my family. And today it's my birthday.
So where are we going now? Where are we going now?
After we eat, before we can watch until 1 hour
Where are we gonna eat?
at the QQ Ramen.
So we're gonna go eat in QQ Ramen first. Then we're gonna go watch cinema, which is
With these
what's it?
tickets, it's called Cold.
We're gonna watch Go. All right.
Yeah, Gog the movie.
Happy birthday.
Set na pag-birthday.
Happy birthday, Tina! Nga pala, anong gano'ng oras to, Mami? 8:45? Meron na pala. 8:45 lalabas na kami. Time right now is 6 o'clock. So we got like 3 hours. Alright, let's go! Okay po, no? So we got free saksu! Free saksu! Free saksu! Let me see your socks! Alright!
27.
Anong 27?
Kailan, ayan o, yung ano, sabi nung ano.
How to press the red button, keep the barcode. How to open? Scan once only every time you open a locker, a new locker. Yan yun, di ba?
Oo.
27? Okay na. Hindi na bubukas yan.
Just in half hour.
So, number 27 kami.
Nak, dito tayo.
What's this? Ni. Pambaha tayo na eh. Love you, Nak. Happy birthday! Panoorin ito, kalokohan na to. Kalokohan to, pre. Diba? Kalokohan siya, diba? Go. Bring it upstairs. Okay guys, so this time we're gonna try one of the steepest slides here. One lang marami pang steep slide dito. So ito muna, no? Ito muna. Let's do this. Look at this guys. Ang ganda rin dito, no?
Alright. So, nagpe-prepare na siya for the stream slide. Hindi ko kaya to. Go, Daddy.
Wait!
Go. Ang pangit, dapat ikaw mawak doon. One more, hindi mo na shoot. Huwag ka kasing iilag. Yellow ka muna. Taasan mo yung bato ng bola, anak.
Tinapas.
Watch daddy, ah. Watch daddy. Look at daddy.
Yay!
Game. Don't jump on the orange. 1, 2, 3. Jump high. Higher. Yan. Higher. Then jump. Higher. Then jump here. Ay. Look at daddy.
So, sobrang saya na experience dito guys. Marami silang slides. Sinubukan ko yung mga matatarik para sulit. Tilakan nila, free to use, picture free. Kasama na yan sa mga bilihara mo, no? So, Athena, face paint. May face painting sila, no? So kami mag-obstacle course kami sa taas. So, si Mami. We're gonna go, hoo-ha! So, ano masabi mo?
Stage 1 done.
Stage 1 done.
Ito yung stage 2.
Stage 2 yun, stage 1 to. So, good luck. Go, Mami. Watch her go, ladies and gentlemen. Look who's there, oh. Athena. Athena. Hala ka, umakit tayo dito eh. Mas makakay dun sa ano, pahaban log. Hindi umaalog. Dito medyo may puwang eh. Yan oh, okay lang yan. Tatawid na ako dito, may iwan kita. Go, 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 go!
Ayan. So, sorry guys. Hanggang stage 2 lang ako. Hindi ko na kinaya. Kasi nahihilo ko. Pero yung asawa ko tinatry niyang matapos. Hanggang dulo. So, ayan. And unfortunately, I won't be able to follow him. Ganda siya. Hindi yata pwede te, kaya may tali, may tape. Cut-cut mo na lang ha, nabababa ko yung video eh. Alright. Mamaya na.
As long as possible, don't look too much. Sabi ako sa ayos kasi sa 15 po ako. Ay, natulong mo.
Masakit na yung kamay ko.
Masabi ko lang, napako-sarap ng gawin ng obstacle. Napakahirap niya, no, guys? Uy, ayun na. Face paint! Face painting for kids. Oh, for smaller kids.
Bumper ko naman, ay gapo. Ay gapo. Makabalik na yung ala-ala ko. May memory.
Right, left, Athena.
My memory is coming. mahal talaga. Nasa 800. Pakita ko sa inyo kung magkano yung entrance. Enjoy naman yung mga bata. Pati yung asawa ko nag-enjoy naman. Nag-enjoy naman ako kasi matagal na kami hindi nakapunta sa Maitom Park. At least to, parang siyang Star City pero aray! Pero parang feeling ko sa price na yun, yeah, I would suggest you go to Star City. Ito kasi parang for me pag may special occasion lang, tsaka pag malapit lang dito. So tatlo kami, naka 2.5 ako mahigit, no? So yun, kasi at least birthday ni Atina is a success. Ayun, maraming mga activities kami na try. So far hindi namin na video lahat, pero either way, masaya. Happy birthday Atina, love you. Oh, happy birthday, Tina. Halika na. Ayun na niya. Let's go race! Hey, don't crash! Don't crash! No! No crash!
Alright, game 1.